Welcome to Volvo Car Safety Center, one of the most advanced crash labs in the world, where we're about to test our new Volvo XC70. We're testing a frontal collision with a narrow object at 50 km per hour. In real life, this might be something like a traffic bollard or a lamppost. This is a test that isn't required by standardized testing, but we test for real-life scenarios. When a car hits something narrow, the force is focused on one small spot. That extra pressure on the front of the car could make it more likely to deform the cabin inside. These crash test dummies represent a family of 4. 2 adults in the front, a 10-year-old on a booster cushion, and a 6-year-old in a Volvo booster seat in the back. Let's go! During the impact, the front of the XC70 deforms exactly as it should. It transfers the force into the safety cage to help absorb the impact, while the safety cage itself stays intact. The safety belts pretension and tighten themselves around the occupants, and the airbags deploy immediately. The doors can still be opened from both inside and outside. This test indicates there would be no serious injuries to the occupants. This is just one of many physical and virtual tests we put the new Volvo XC70 and all our cars through. All with the same goal: to make every journey the safest it can be.